Hi guys! I hope you have all good Thanksgiving. Ito ngayon, luluto na naman ako ng soup. Ayan. Asian soup ito dahil mga busog yung mga tao. Kaya, yung lulutuin ko ngayon is Asian soup. Very simple. Onions, garlic, and cinnamon. I saute that for 5 minutes. Ayan, after 5 minutes, ilalagay ko ito ang aking potatoes. And saute again this for another like 10 minutes until it gets brown. Ayan guys, after 10 minutes, nag-brown na siya. I-add ko na yung 1 can of tomatoes. Ayan siya. And then, a can of coconut milk. Yan siya. Haluin. Ayan na siya. Coconut milk. Sunod, add this curry. Nabibili ito sa store. Yan siya. Masarap ito. Super sarap ng curry na ito. Alright guys. Curry pieces is melted already. Then, add the garbanzos. 1 can of garbanzo beans. Yan siya, haluin. And then 10 ounces of spinach, chopped spinach. Yan siya, haluin. Ayan, after ninyong ilagay at nahalo na yung spinach, ilagay ito yung dried cranberry, about 2 ounces. And then after that, you can put your flour in a medium to low fire and wait for an hour. It's really delicious.